Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new EPOS Sennheiser GSP 600. It's a wired closed acoustic gaming headset with noise cancelling microphone, adjustable headband with customizable contact pressure, and volume control for personal computer, Mac, Xbox, and PlayStation. Oh yeah, that's a professional thing. Closed acoustic gaming headset, the closed acoustic design, and ergonomic ear pads designed for the best acoustic seal makes for excellent passive noise cancellation. And the advanced technology and proprietary transducers deliver competitive, edge-boosting acoustic performance with exceptional aural clarity and a broadcast quality noise cancelling microphone cuts out breathing and background noise with a convenient flip to mute feature. The sturdy microphone with flexible boom arm adjusts for best voice pickup position. And the padded headband features an adjustable pressure function for a customizable fit. A solid metal hinge joint automatically angle the ear cups, and the dual materials ear pad keeps the ears cool, provides passive noise attenuation, and ensures comfort through long gaming sessions. And it comes with a high compatibility, really. It's compatible with personal computer, with Mac, with PlayStation 4, and of course the 5th generation too, Xbox One, and other consoles with 3.5mm jack input. Of course, you can use it on your Xbox Series S or X too. Some Xbox One controllers may require an Xbox One stereo headset adapter. This is sold separately, but the new next-gen consoles out there, you can plug in and have fun with that. A built-in volume wheel on the right ear cup allows us for quick on-the-fly adjustments while gaming. No need to tap out of our game to adjust the loudness of our audio. And then high-quality materials are carefully selected and tested for durability and reliability. The solid metal hinge withstands repeated movement for sustainable longevity. The ear pads and the cover plates are designed to be exchangeable, and spares are available from the store. And it looks really cool. Oh yeah. Some see saluted, others wrote up the clan. EPOS, out of this world gaming audio. Ooh, that's awesome. EOS delivers high-end audio solutions designed for enterprise and gaming. Based on pioneering audio technology, they strive to unleash human potential by perfection audio experience. Headquartered in Copenhagen, the EPOS is part of the Demant Group, a world-leading audio and hearing technology group that offers solutions and services to help people connect and communicate with the world around them. And the GSP 600 created for the passionate gamers seeking only the best tools for the gaming. The GSP 600 closed acoustic headset delivers high audio fidelity and exceptionally audio realism, allowing us to hear every detail and react even faster for better game performance. And proprietary engineering technology results in transducers that deliver high quality fidelity, exceptional realism and acoustic clarity for presses, detail, and fast reactions. It's engineered for the competitive gamers. Exceptional audio realism, adjustable contact pressure headband for long-lasting comfort, and attached built with solid metal lining for outstanding durability. And we are closed. The acoustic design and an ergonomic ear pads designed for the best acoustic seal makes for excellent passive noise attenuation. Shut out the noise environment and distractions when we put on the GSP 600 for a sharpened focus on the game. And there are proprietary speaker system. The advanced technology and the proprietary transducers deliver competitive edge hosting acoustic performance. Exceptional aural clarity for presses, audio cues, and detail makes for that immersive game experience that only singular audio realism can bring. And the microphone with a flexible boom arm. The sturdy microphone with a flexible boom arm adjusts for best voice pickup, position, and conveniently lifts to mute. Passive noise reducing design minimize the background noise and enhance the acoustic clarity to ensure better team communications. And it's built to last. The high quality materials are carefully selected and tested for durability and reliability. The solid metal hide withstands the biggest game failures, really. The earbuds and the cover plates are designed to be exchangeable, so you can replace it, maybe if you break it. And the paddle headband features and the adjustable pressure function for the customizable fit. It's a solid metal hinge joint, and it automatically angles the ear cup, and the dual material ear pads keeps the ears cool and nice. It provides passive noise attention and ensures the comfort through long gaming sessions. And there is a built-in volume wheel on the right ear cup. This allows us to quick on-the-fly adjustment while gaming. We do not need to control by a button, or we do not control by remote or on the computer itself. It is possible to do this on the fly, adjustable, the volume control. And the sound is really nice. It comes with an awesome bass power. And the sound is so clear and really, really superb. This is the EPOS Sennheiser GSP 600. It's a wired closed acoustic gaming headset with noise-canceling microphone, adjustable headband with customizable contact pressure, and volume control. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.